Welcome to Tech Tips. Today we're changing the front differential fluid on this UTV. To change the front differential fluid, you need to start with the right tools. And in this case, we need a 17mm socket, a 10mm socket, an extension, a ratchet, a drain pan is always important, and a rag to clean up any messes. This process will apply to most UTVs. These tools are specific to this Honda. Step one is locate the fill plug, clean any dirt that may be around it, and then loosen it. That's a tip because you don't want to drain it and then find that the fill plug won't come loose. The next step will be to drain the oil out of the differential. So locate your drain plug, which is on the bottom of the machine. There should be a hole in the skid plate. Get your socket on there. Loosen the drain plug. Try not to drop it in the drain pan. While the fluid is draining out, it's a good idea to inspect the drain plug for any damage and check the washer or O-ring for any dings or damage. Make sure it's clean before reusing it. Once the fluid is done draining, you can go ahead and reinstall the drain plug. So now we're back up top. We're going to remove the fill plug that we've already loosened. So you can just reach in there, finish loosening it with your hand, and you can pull it out. Now we need to refill. These are your three traditional methods for refilling this differential: the funnel, the pump, or your traditional gear lube bottle. All of them usually result in a mess. So we're not going to use any of those methods. Today we're going to use AMSOIL's Easy Pack. This takes all of the problems away. It's flexible, it fits right in that fill hole. Apply the product, no mess, no problems. Let's see how it works. So you're going to go ahead and fill the front differential. Get the Easy Pack right in the hole. Squeeze. This machine holds about 12 ounces of oil, or when the oil starts to come out the fill plug, that means you're done. So you just want to make sure that your fill plug is clean, make sure there's no dirt in there, check the O-ring, and you're ready to reinstall. As you're tightening the plug, remember, it only needs to be snug. Do not over tighten. Well, there you have it. A few simple steps to changing the differential fluid on your UTV using the AMSOIL Easy Pack. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.